Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the JMX Exporter to monitor your Kafka cluster. So, guys, in past videos, I've already shown you how we can set up the Bitnami Kafka cluster in KRF mode, right? So, guys, that part I've already, created, and you can see from my YouTube channel, right? And but this time what I've done, I've added one producer and consumer. If you navigate to AKHQ, in fact this I already shown you in my past videos how to set up this monitoring. Let's say from this the powerful tool you can learn also from this. Let's say you can create topics as well. Let's try to create one topic. Here you see one topic is created. So this is the powerful management tool. So guys, what we are going to do, we are going to produce messages. I'm going to show you one messages. Let's say I'm going to type Lahore here. So this is a producer, right? Sending producing message in Kafka, and it is going to be consumed, you see, by that particular consumer. And from the UI, if you navigate to this section Qasim, drill down, and you will see that this Lahore message is available 1890 second ago. So you can do further drill down what we have in topic, and what are the partition, you see, all that stuff. Definitely you can explore yourself. And but the topic I want to show you that also regarding the ambient mesh, I would like to share. In my past I've shown you how to set up the ambient mesh. So what I have done, I have labeled the particular Kafka namespace, and you will easily see all the traffic is encrypted. This is the layer 4 traffic encrypted, and you will see this is our AKHQ sending traffic to our Kafka brokers, right? And also you will see JMX metrics, right? Which I already shown you. I mean JMX Exporter container. So if you see, if you hover over to this, JMX Exporter is already scraping. And if you navigate to the Prometheus section, you see this is the service monitor I've created. From Prometheus, and it is going to scrape the metrics from Kafka cluster, send it to Grafana, and also I'm sending some of the alerts to my Slack, right? So guys, this is the quick thing I want to show you. And also one of the biggest issue you will see, let's say regarding the Kafka consumer lag you face. So if you navigate to the Prometheus, you can add as many panels in this dashboard. So I've added some of the panels. So let me show you some of the stuff. Let's say if you navigate to graph section, right, just type lag, you will see some of the stuff regarding lag, and you will find consumer lag, right? So these some of the stuff like consumer offset partition, whatever you want to scrape regarding the consumer lag. For instance, we have open, you see one shell. So this is console consumer, right? Because it is open here in the console, that is why it is showing our lag currently set to 0, because we are sending few messages. And you can also monitor from here. This is the powerful tool. Also the from Grafana you will see the time series graph. For instance, I have removed one of the brokers. You see time series graph, 5 minutes ago what happened to my Kafka controller. One of the controller goes down, and the log by instance size, you can set up as many queries as you want. For instance, if you click this panel and edit it, navigate back to this section, simply from the Prometheus you need to copy the query you want to do. And for instance, this is the query. Let me copy this guy, and if I navigate back to this section graph, and I'm going to instead of lag, I'm going to paste this query. You see it is giving us the results. and you can click the graph. It is showing as well, but we want in Grafana for monitoring. And regarding the alerting, I've set up the alerts in Slack. So for that, definitely you can set up the alert manager to send alerts uh, to your Slack channel or your teams or your email address. So guys, this is the quick demo, and definitely you can try yourself. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.